You're okay, darling? Ah,
I just need help.
okay. I'm gonna help you. Here's your pencil, love.
What do we need to do?
You need to scratch it.
On this.
Wait. Well, yeah, very good. Well done. Go, go, go.
I don't know what's in it yet.
Wow, very good, darling. You're doing great.
Huh?
There's some more, isn't it? That's why you need to stretch. Scratch the whole lot until this side, oh. Yeah, some more there on the right side. On your right, love.
What?
Yeah, there's some more there, I think. Here, oh, this side, oh. Is there?
Oh.
See? Come on, sweetie. And on the bottom as well. See? Good stuff. How about the bottom?
My arms are aching.
Way. Are you happy with that?
Yep.
If you write this one for me, what's this? Read it for me.
Pekka flower. Pekka flower.
Huh? What's this one?
O's pekka flowers.
False, yeah. I'll write it here, please.
I don't know. Okay. Pekka.
Very good.